Hello, what's going on everyone? In today's video, I'm going to give you the answer for this question, and the question is, which breakfast chain owns a record label and stocks its jukebox with its song? Well, I'll give you the answer for this question, and after that, I'll provide with a short explanation about the answer. And the correct answer for that question will be Waffle House. And here is a bit more information about the answer. Jay-Z and Waffle House share a commonality. Both possess their own record labels. The Cherished 24 Hours Breakfast establishment operates its very own record label, which produces music tailored to the distinctive Waffle House ambiance. Waffle Records, the label's moniker, has rolled out over 40 original tracks since the mid-1980s, such as There Are Raisins in My Toes and Cooking Up Your Order. The song spans across various genres like gospel, bluegrass, and rock and roll, incorporating elements of company branding into the music. So that is correct answer for the question, Waffle House.
Hi, thank you so much for watching this video. If you find this video is very useful, you can help this channel to grow by subscribing this channel. Please this subscribe button and don't forget to like this video. And if you find this video is not really good, or you don't really like this video, or you kind of feel that it's a little bit offensive or something like that, you can click this one, dislike button. You can do that anyway. And if you want to share this video with your friend, you can share it by clicking this share button, and you can share it to any social media that you wish that is currently available at this time, like Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and many others, right? And if you want to add this video to your playlist, you can click this one. You can watch this video later, and you can find more options by clicking these three dots. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe. I think that's all of it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and see you again in another video. Bye bye. See you again.